If you're trying to decide between Arch Linux and Linux Mint, you're comparing two distros that sit on opposite ends of the Linux universe. One is all about customization and control. The other is all about simplicity and ease of use. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your skill level and your workflow. Let's start with Linux Mint. Mint is one of the most beginner-friendly distros out there, stable, simple, and designed to feel familiar, especially if you're coming from Windows. The Cinnamon desktop gives you a classic layout: taskbar, menu, system tray, window controls, everything right where you expect it. Mint shines for everyday tasks: browsing, office work, media, programming, school, and general productivity. It's based on Ubuntu, which means massive community support, reliable updates, and nearly unlimited documentation. If you want a distro that just works with minimal setup, Mint nails it. Now let's talk about Arch Linux, which takes the complete opposite approach. Arch is built for people who want total control over their system. You install everything manually: the desktop environment, the drivers, the packages, the services. You build your OS from the ground up. The payoff? Arch is lightweight, blazing fast, and customized exactly to your liking. Arch's real superpower is the Arch User Repository, a giant community-driven library with almost every piece of software you could ever need. Combine that with the rolling release model, and you're always running the latest kernel, drivers, and apps the moment they're available. But Arch does require maintenance and troubleshooting. If something breaks, you fix it. If you want a hassle-free experience, Arch might feel like too much. So, which one is better? Choose Linux Mint if you want a clean, stable, beginner-friendly Linux distro that works out of the box. It's ideal for everyday use, productivity, school, older hardware, and anyone switching from Windows. Choose Arch Linux if you want customization, cutting-edge updates, huge software availability, and a distro that you can fine-tune to perfection. It's perfect for power users, developers, and anyone who loves full control over their system. Here's the bottom line: Mint is the smooth, reliable daily driver. Arch is the flexible, bleeding-edge powerhouse. Two amazing distros, two completely different philosophies. If this helped you out, hit like and subscribe. I break down the most popular Linux distros and tech tools every week. Now I want to hear from you. Arch or Linux Mint, which one are you picking? Drop your answer in the comments.